Holy Jesus Christ as fuck. The Paul's Things just made more recent videos featuring him, Diego Fuenzalida, and his other friends too endlessly. This is so completely never-ending. This has to stop immediately. But what shall I do for revenge this time? Aha! I finally know. I'll steal a fighter jet from the airbase, and then I'll fire a missile into his house. Ha 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 ha.
1 hour later.
Well, looky here. There's a fighter jet. And now, it's time for me to break in. Holy fuck. I'm actually in here. I clearly didn't expect this to work somehow. I have no fucking idea why is it that a fighter jet's cockpit's that kind of commercial airliner. Possibly my style of crashing through doors, 'cause I'm a steam engine. But anyways, time to fly with this machine. Man, this thing sure is pretty fast. Hey look. I can already see the Paul's Things' house from distances away. And now, it's time to fire the missile towards it.
Meanwhile.
Wowie. It's such a beautiful day at my house, and also thinking about what to do today. Wait, hold up. Is that the noise from a fighter jet? Oh god. It's firing a missile towards my house. I better scram out of here, before I'm doomed to smithereens.
Ha! Burn in hell, Paul. You take that for supporting Diego more than me in your videos. I think I'll go to Chuck E. Cheese's for a big The Paul's Things' death celebration ceremony.
Oh gosh. I can't believe that my house has been destroyed by that fighter jet with a missile. And when it's done, I'm completely homeless. Wait just another minute. I know the culprit who destroyed my house with a fighter jet with a missile. It must have been Vinnie, the American quarterback bully engine. I think he must have trespassed the airbase, stole a fighter jet, and then fired a missile at my house. That does it. I'm now calling Ashima right away.
Wow. That was the best day ever at Chuck E. Cheese's. In your fucking fist face the Paul's Things. Now I wonder what shall I do here even more? Oh, no. Here it comes. Ashima's rage incoming.
Vinnie, the American quarterback bully engine. I freaking cannot believe. You snuck into the airbase, stole one of the fighter jets, and fired a missile at the Paul's Things house. You've clearly destroyed his entire house, and you could have doomed his life. Now he's homeless because of you. That does it, you evil bully. You're Super Zeta grounded for 1,500 months. And when we arrive home, you'll head straight to bed. Or else I'll send you to Sweden.
Vaya.